A special express train number 37, which is going to Suvarnabhumi, leaving at 3:10. Now these special express trains are air conditioned. I take it they also have sleeping cars, and that's the way to travel for long distance. If you can't fly, and if you can't take a first-class bus, then you take a train. And it's a long one. It goes right to the end of the station. Wouldn't I like to be at Gare de Lyon in Paris and take a train down to the Côte d'Azur, to Nice, and all along the Côte d'Azur. Yeah, those were wonderful days, as I said earlier, but I'm here in Bangkok, and of course Asia is very interesting. It's so different. So it's not a question of comparing, it's a question of, hey, that's beautiful. There's monks walking through my video. Let's go chase them. It's not a question of comparing which is better or worse. It's a question of enjoying and celebrating the differences. They do have mice here in the railway station. Here's one of them doing a demonstration for me. But the mouse is attached to a string, and oh my goodness, this gentleman here, he's the owner. Is this your mouse?
Thank you, thank you.
That's your mouse there, huh? Yeah. Where are you going? You're gonna sell some stuff. Okay, good luck. Bye. And there he goes. Station in downtown Bangkok. To the tracks, to the ticket counters, to the special waiting area for the monks over there. To some nostalgic pictures. And there's what it looks like from the outside. All railway stations or bus stations, airports, and so on have a special area for monks, and this is no exception. My only question is, what is this guy doing here? I don't know. I know monks have a special waiting area here at the railway and railway station, and I'm surprised that they have to line up like ordinary people. You'd think of all people, monks would have a special line. They are, after all, special people in this society. It's always comforting to see something like Dunkin' Donuts. The advantage being that you get a cup of coffee for $1, which is not the norm in restaurants. I kind of struck out because the Orient Express from Singapore to Bangkok is 2 hours late. It was supposed to arrive at 2:45. That's more than I want to wait. But that would have been a highlight to any train buff to see the Orient Express. Arrive in Bangkok. As I'm blabbing on about the lack of a clock, I have to look upward and backward, and let's see if I bend over a whole lot. Right there. Let's see. Hidden behind that lamp up there is a clock. Right there. See it? Okay. I'll flip back up. Alright. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. Won't be able to read it, but there is a dirty old... Now we got to make our way to the hotel by metro, because that's the reason we came here to the main railway station, to get a metro connection. Metro being the underground. We're now in the underground, and we just went through a security check, and they only hire people who have x-ray vision, because they just took a glance at our suitcases. So Barb, where are we here?
Let's see, we are at Hua Lamphong.
Okay, that's the railway station here. What's it called?
Hua Lamphong.
Okay.
We are going
and
to...
our hotel is?
It's near the Sukhumvit. Here.
Right there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stations.
So we're going to Sukhumvit?
Yeah.
From the railway station at Hua Lamphong. And that is a shot of the metro system, or the underground.
This is a map of this, what we're in.
The railway area.
Locality map.
Yep, okay. Luckily they have instructions in English. You just press the button where you want to go.
26, okay, insert.
Insert la monnaie.
That's just for one.
How much is that, Barb? Like for 126 bahts, yeah?
Yeah.
That's less than $1.
Yeah.
And there we are.
Take your change. This is the token. And this is the change.
Okay.
I'm missing something.
You have a
or there should be another 10.
Uh-oh.
I got ripped. Oh no, it's here.
It's there.
It's there. Okay.
All right.
Now we need another 26. Here, I'll try to get rid of some change here. 10.
I think
Hold the token.
Better stop there. It's a repeat of the previous. It's the kind of system that would be useful in Montreal and Toronto too, where there's no exposure to the rails until the cars arrive. This of course prevents the type of accidents and non-accidents that happen in Montreal and Toronto, where people get shoved into the oncoming subway or commit suicide in that particular way, just to talk about a very cheerful topic. At the end of the line, they keep people from going into the wagons for reasons of cleaning. Cleaning staff goes through it and everybody waits their turn. By the way, this system was opened in 2001 And I read a sign where the cars were manufactured in Austria and flown here on the giant Soviet transporter. I don't know what the name of it is, but it's about the size of a B-52. The cars are air conditioned and you can walk right from one car to the next. Again, perhaps a security measure. It's really neat. It would appear that the cell phone works in the metro.
Number 3.
Number 3 here?
Yes.
Okay.
It's right now you will be here, right?
Okay.
People are very helpful here.
We see by train and walk around here or 21, right? Sorry. If you will go 21, you must go to number 2.
Okay. Exit 2.
Yes.
Yeah.
When you go upstairs on the left hand side,
Okay.
you can use the lift to go upstairs.
Thank you.
We took a lift up from the underground, which is very convenient when you got 2 big suitcases. Now the next challenge is go and find your hotel somewhere here. Somewhere here. Good thing I got Barb along. Don't know what I'll do when Barb's leaving after she's left on Saturday, but we'll figure it out. Just around the corner from the metro station, we find the Wellness Spa Residence. That's our hotel.
Email on it from the shrine.
Oh, I see. Okay. Email. Yeah. Okay. And this is it here. We're paying. How much are we paying here, Barb? $36.
I don't remember offhand.
Yeah. Thai massage, foot massage, oil massage. Hey, Barb. Here's your chance to get that massage before you go.
Yeah.
Right.
Yep.
Great. Let's go check it out.
The view is not the greatest.
The view is not the greatest, Barbara says. What do you mean? This is wonderful. Look at that. That is a great view. That's beautiful. Industrial view, but beautiful. And the bathroom. Bathroom's okay. Oops. There's always a huge step up.
We have a bathtub. Oh, there's no curtain, no shower curtain.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
And I really like these things they have attached to every toilet here in Thailand. Well, it speaks for itself. It really beats using toilet paper. I really like these things they have attached to every toilet here in Thailand. Well, it speaks for itself. It really beats using toilet paper.